What people need to realize is 85% of disease today is metabolic and original. So what we have to do is we have to look at how we can improve cellular function to realize is everything takes place in the cell. You know, that's the powerhouse of the energy that runs every function in our body and mind. So now what you have to have in order for the cell to function properly are the right nutrients in a bioavailable form that we can use properly.
ALPHAMETA can balance our overall health perfectly. It increases the body's bioenergy storage and promotes energy operation. It stimulates the production of life enzymes, promotes digestion and absorption, rids the body of toxins. ALPHAMETA promotes the production of antioxidants in our body, enhancing cells healing and repairing for a younger function. ALPHAMETA also promotes cell regeneration and delays aging.
In order for the cell to function properly and optimally, it needs the right polysaccharides. The polysaccharides are basically the carbohydrates for the energy of the cell. It needs the right polypeptides and just the right balance, not only to form the antioxidants to fight free radicals, but also to rebuild and regenerate the cells in a healthy manner.